trampoline. And pandas. Hello. Look, the panda's gonna jump. Yay! Look at them. They're so cute. Let's go play. Higher, pandas. We're flying. Watch this flip. Yay! Again. P for panda. Look, Arlo, the elephants. Wow, they're so big. And look at the water. Look. Wow, an elephant sprayed water. Let's go see. Look, more elephants. Wow, they're spraying water. This is amazing. E for elephant. E for elephant. And one more splash. Look, Nia, monkeys. Wow, they are so big and colorful. Look, monkeys. A monkey is swinging. Wow, so cool. Wow, look at the bunnies. They're so cute. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. Look, the monkeys are swinging too. Woohoo! They're going so high. Let's swing with them. Faster, faster. Look, it's hopping. Hooray! Let's go see them. Look, dolphins. Wow, they're beautiful. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Wow! That's so cool! Look, it's jumping! Yay! Look, Arlo, it copied it. Wow! They're playing together. Look at them go! Jump, jump! They're so fast! Wow! Like us! Look at all the colorful trees. They're so bright. And the parrots. Hello. D for dolphin. Ha! Look at them! They're copying us. They are. Wow. P for parrot. Look at that! Wow, it's so smooth. It's going in an S shape. Amazing! Look, Arlo, the snakes. They're so smooth. Let's try. Like this? Yes, just like them. S for snake. Look, Arlo, tigers! Wow, Nia, they're so big! Look, there's a tiger! Wow, it's coming right here! Hello, big kitty! Look at them go! We're running too! Wow, look at that! They are so tall! Amazing! I've never seen anything like it. Wow, look how high it goes. I've never seen a giraffe eat like that before. T for tiger. Look, Arlo. Wow, they're so tall. Reach up. We can't reach. G for giraffe. Look, Arlo, sheep. They're so fluffy. Hello, sheep. Oh, it jumped. Cute. Look, the sheep are bouncing. Let's bounce with them. Bowing, bowing. S for sheep. Wow, look at the horses. They're so beautiful and calm. Look, there's a horse. Whoa, it's running. It stopped. Yay! Look, they're so fast. We're running with them. Faster, train, faster. Yeah, we're winning. Look, Arlo, zebras. Wow, they have stripes. H for horse. Look, Arlo, a zebra.
Wow, it's walking in a straight line.
And it stopped.
That was amazing.
Look, Arlo, a zebra.
Wow, it's walking in a straight line.
And it stopped.
That was amazing.
Look, the zebras are walking in a line. Wow, they're making a pattern. Let's copy them. So silly. Bye, zebras. Look, zebras. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Look, a river. What is that? Look, an alligator. Wow. Another one on this side. Oh, there's another one in front. A for alligator. 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 A for alligator. Look, the frog is jumping. Wow. Look at that. Look, more frogs. That's so cool. They are jumping everywhere. Yeah, look at them all. F for frog. Look, Arlo, a shark. Wow. Hi, shark. S for shark. Wow! Look how tall! Look at them! They're so big! Look at the giraffes! Look, Arlo! The giraffe's coming down to say hello! Wow, it's so big! Hello there! Bye-bye, Mr. Giraffe! Look at them! So high! G for giraffe! Wow, look at that! I've never seen horses like these before. Look, there's the horse. It's running. Wow, it's so fast. Now it's stopping. It's looking at us. Wow, look at them go! That is so cool, Arlo. They're running in perfect time.
Clap with me, Nia. They're amazing.
H for horse. Wow, look at that giraffe and the monkey. It's so beautiful here. They're all coming out to see us. Look, there are so many animals. Yay, they're all here. Hi, everyone. Look at them dance. They are so happy. Let's keep clapping. Yes, clap along. Let's go again. Again. Faster.